Question 40. The planar shape of BCl₃ molecule can be explained in terms of the A. SP3 hybridization of boron. B. SP2 hybridization of boron. C. SP hybridization of boron. D. SP hybridization of chlorine. The correct answer is B. SP2 hybridization of boron. Explanation. According to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, if there are 3 electron domains, hybridization is going to be SP2. Explanation. The Lewis structure for BCl₃ is this. You have boron in the center bonded to 3 chlorine atoms with the valence electrons of chlorine on the chlorine atoms. So this is the Lewis structure for BCl₃, and since it has 3 bonding domains, i.e. boron is bonded to 3 atoms and there's no lone pairs on the boron atom, hence the hybridization according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory is SP2, leading to trigonal planar shape. Trigonal because the shape of BCl₃ is like a triangle and the angles between the atoms will be 120 degrees.